If you want a really quick test for your aquarium, you can get these 5-in-1 test strips. Now what happens with these 5-in-1 test strips is you've got pH. Now over time it is inevitable that the pH is going to drop because the fish will produce various metabolic acids, carbonic acids and so forth that will make the pH drop. If the pH starts to drop, you need to do a water change and probably add a little bit of KH powder just to buff that pH back up again. Now the nitrite is going to give you an indication of whether your system is handling the load, so whether your filters are working or whether you've got too many fish in the tank or you've put too many fish in too quickly. Now if you get nitrite up, you want to do a decent water change and you want to put a really heavy dose of water ager in to help detoxify the nitrite. Now nitrate is, so ammonia breaks into nitrite and nitrite breaks into nitrate, and that's fish waste. So the nitrate is going to indicate when you need to do water changes. So if your nitrate level comes up, you want to do water changes. And then KH, the KH test is going to indicate how much carbonate hardness you're putting in the water. Now a lot of water such as Sydney tap water is often got no carbonate in it. So carbonate is an essential element for fish and probably one of the biggest killers of fish. Then the GH is going to tell you how much conditioning salts that you've put in there, which will raise the general hardness of your water. So if you go and test all of those levels and the levels are good, you'll be in a really good position. If you test the levels with your test strips and you find that one of them is not right, then it's very easily corrected, and much better to correct it now than to allow it to linger and then for the fish to get sick.